Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app ZenKit Action Automation for workflow. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then you click on Install and you head over to Allow and Install and click on it. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done installing your app, reload the page and head down to the custom page itself, click on it. The interface of the app is going to pop up where you have all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the tutorial video and the walkthrough configuration video that's going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. The app has not yet been connected. Let's walk you through how to connect the app. Copy the redirect URL and you head to the account which we've created online. Click on your profile. Then you click on the first log in here. Then you scroll down to integrations, click on it, and you click on the developer portal. And you click on add new app code, enter the name, then paste the redirect URL which we copied right over here. And you click on create. Click on OK. Copy the client, head back to the account, click on start setup and paste. Copy the secret key and do same. Then click on complete setup. Then click on authorize and your app will be connected and configured successfully. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for the team and as well book a call with our team. We have the changelog feature where you're going to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.